Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background so you never lose pixels. This preserves the original. Next, make a precise selection around the person using a polygonal lasso, quick select, or an AI subject tool to capture edges. Once done, refine the edge or feather by 0.52px to smooth hair and clothes. This reduces halos. Also create a mask immediately so you can hide instead of delete, making reversal and fine adjustments simple and reversible. With the mask active, hide the person and analyze the exposed background. Use Content-Aware Fill to generate replacement pixels. Choose sample area and rotation adaptation for complex textures. If artifacts remain, switch to the patch tool or clone stamp and sample nearby texture while preserving light direction. Once the background reads naturally, rebuild shadows and reflections by sampling color, lowering opacity, and painting subtle gradients. This ensures consistent lighting and avoids the uncanny look that breaks realism. Place the replacement person on a new layer and scale them to match perspective and distance. Use transform and warp to adjust stance and horizon alignment. Make color and exposure match by sampling midtones and using curves, hue/saturation, and selective color. Then mask edges and refine hair with a small soft brush at 20–40% opacity. Finally, paint a subtle shadow layer under the feet with low opacity and Gaussian blur to ground them. Troubleshooting tip: if lighting still looks off, create a clipped color lookup or apply layer-wise dodge and burn to unify depth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.